Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the Cambridge School e-learning series. I am Indrajit here, your computer teacher. Today we will do answer key of chapter 3rd. We will do bookwork of class 7th chapter 3rd. Advanced features of MS Excel. Firstly, read the instructions carefully before doing bookwork. First one, it is compulsory for all the students to attempt this bookwork on your book. Do not use pen for writing on book. You will use only black pencil for doing this bookwork. Your handwriting should be neat and clean. Proper date and day should be written on your book. If you find any difficulty, you may call your subject teacher. Now start with fill in the blanks. Number 1. Dash is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Like this you can see. Okay beta. These are the charts. It is the best way to show data in pictorial form, in picture form. So right answer is chart. Second is data series are the bars on the slices that show the dash. Okay, data series. These are the data series. It show the data values. It will according to like this data value is. So the right answer is data values. Next is bar chart display data in form of long dash rods. It is a bar chart. You can check here rectangular rods. Next, dash is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Plot the values. Here it is written values. So it is known as a y-axis. Next, dash is the key that is used to identify the color, pattern or symbol assigned to the data series. What is this? Legend. Legend is a key that is used to identify the color, pattern or symbol assigned to the data series. Now move to the next topic, true or false. First one, you can sort the data only in one field. We have seen that about the sorting data. We have learned about sorting data. Okay. Is it possible only for one field? No. We can sort data in many fields also. So it is a false. Next, a chart is updated automatically with the change in data. Okay. Now we can see it practically. Here it is written 85 raw data. You can check here. Now we will make it 45. Now see, it is automatically decreased. Done. Okay, so it is a true. Next, we cannot modify the chart by changing its colors and patterns. It's false. We can change the colors and patterns of a chart. Next is fourth one. X-axis is a horizontal axis. Yes, x-axis is a horizontal axis. Next is the chart area contains the actual chart itself and includes data series, category and value axis as well. Yes, it is a true. The chart area contains the data values itself. Now move to the next topic, application based questions. First one is Kanika is a chartered accountant. She looks after the accounts of various companies and keeps the records in Microsoft Excel. She doesn't have any idea how to view only those records that she wants to see. Suggest her the feature of Microsoft Excel using which she can perform his task. Okay beta, which feature helps us to see data? Yes, it is a filter feature. Kanika can use filter feature of MS Excel that allow you to view only those records that you want to see while it hides the rest of data temporarily from the view. Which feature you used? Filter feature. Okay beta. Next is Ritu is a student of class 7. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities of India. Suggest her to best suited chart type for her project. Yes, Ritu will use which type of chart? She want to show the 4 cities data. Okay, like as we can see here, we have made here the name. Now we will make it city name. City Delhi, Jaipur, Mumbai, Kanpur. Now you can check. Okay, bar chart show it in a proper way. Okay, Ritu should use bar chart to depict the population of the metro series of India. It illustrates the comparison between the individual data items. You can check here how it can. You can select these cities. Okay, insert bar chart. You can take this one chart. Okay, it will show the properly city wise record. Okay beta, now move to the multiple choice questions. First one is, name the bars or slices that represent the data values on the chart. Yes, these values, these, it is known as a series. You can see here. So options are data series, plot area and legend. What is the right answer? Data series. Next, which chart type display data in form of a circle? You can see here many types of charts. So this is chart type of pie chart. It is a pie chart. Line chart, pie chart, bar chart. The correct answer is pie chart. Yes, next, which function key is used to insert a chart in a worksheet? F6, F8, F11. Now you can check. If you will press F11, select data, F11, it will automatically insert the chart. Fourth one is, name the special window that display data when you insert a chart. Options are data sheet, database, sheet. The correct answer is database. Where we are creating chart, it is a database. Next is fifth one, which feature allows us to arrange the given data according to a particular field either in ascending or descending order. While we are sorting data, it is according to the ascending or descending order. So the right answer is sort. Okay beta, now move to the questions. First question is, what is a chart? The right answer is, chart is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Charts make it easier to draw, compare and analyze the growth, relationship and trends among the values in a range. Okay, range. It provides the more accurate analysis of information. Okay beta. What it show? Chart is effective way to display the data in pictorial form. We can draw data here, compare, analyze the growth, relationship, what is growing, what is decreasing, what is profit, what is loss. We can use the chart. Okay. The second question is, how column chart different from bar chart? A column chart displays the data in form of vertical bars. It is used to show changes in data over a period of time, whereas bar chart helps to display the data in form of horizontal or vertically. It displays the comparison among the individual items. Okay, it is the column chart is according to the vertical bars, and the bar chart display the data in the form of horizontally or vertically. Next, third question is, what is difference between chart area and plot area? The chart area includes all the objects and elements in the chart. Plot area is a window within a chart. It contains the actual chart and includes the plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Now we will see what is chart area and what is plot area. In this chart, it is a chart area and this is a plot area. This area contains the plot area. Clear? Now beta move to next question. What is the use of sorting data in Excel? Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. Data can be sorted in rows on the basis of text, numbers, combination of text, and number or dates. Once the data is organized, it becomes easy to work with. We can arrange data according to the ascending or descending order. Likewise, if we want to make data according to the class wise, we have to make it alphabetically or roll number wise. It is very easy to find any student's data. Okay. Now next question is beta, briefly explain the utility of filter feature. What is the use of filter feature? The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of data temporarily from the view. It hides the other data temporary type and show the only filter data. It do not delete the data properly, but it hides the data temporarily based. Okay, I hope you understand this bookwork. Thanks and take care, my dear students.